In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the SwftCoin on Coinbase. So the first step is to go to coinbase.com. If you don't have an account yet, then sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So the next step, once you are logged into your account, you will arrive at this homepage and we will go to the search bar, and there is where we type in SWFT. And as you can see, there is the SwftCoin. Now select it. Once you have selected it, this price chart will open. You can also select different time frames to see what this coin has done in the past. And once you have checked that, you can also read some information about this project. Scroll a little bit down to see the stats like the market cap, volume, circulating supply and the all-time highs. Once you have checked that out all, then you can go to the right side. There we have the trading options. We have three options: a buy, sell and convert option. For now we will use the buy option because we would like to buy these coins. And beside of that, you also have a order type. Now you have two types of orders, a one-time order and a recurring buy order. For now we will use the one-time order, and that is basically a single order for the current market price. The recurring buy order is if you are planning to buy these coins on a more regular base. So if you would like to buy these coins daily, weekly or monthly, then you can set up a recurring buy. Now we leave it on a one-time order, and then we need to fill in the amount of euros we would like to spend. Let's say 1000 euros. And now you can see the amount of coins we are receiving in return for this. After that you can select your payment method and click on it, and this list will be opened. If your preferred payment method is not available in this list, then you can add it by add a payment method down below. Once you have done that, select the payment method and always check if you have selected the right coin. Of course we done, because we have searched for it. Now you can click on review order, and this will redirect you to the order review. As you can see, we are paying a transaction fee on this order, and I will give you guys a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase. Use the Coinbase One subscription because you won't pay any transaction fees on orders on Coinbase. You can try it out for free for 7 days. After those 7 days, it is around 25 euros a month. So as you can see on this order alone, we are already being profitable by using this. Once you have decided to buy these coins, click on buy now, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Thank you for watching.